In this video, I'm going to show you a quick, easy, and successful way that you can get approved to sell Lego on Amazon in 2024. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, I'm Daniel, and I'm a 27-year-old who has been a full-time Amazon retail and online arbitrage seller going on 4 years now, which has allowed me to do over $1 million in sales every year, profiting more than 80% of Americans without ever working a traditional 9-to-5 in my life. After having my own success as an Amazon seller, I have decided to democratize the exact steps you need to take to have success as an Amazon seller by making a 100% free community that you can join, both linked in the description below along with on my page. I built this community with one goal in mind, and that is providing more value than any other Amazon group or community, and I have to say my members have been blown away, so I am confident that you will not be disappointed with the value provided. Make sure you watch this video all the way through, because at the end of this video I have a special offer for you. But now that all of that is out of the way, make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and like this video. It would help me out so much more than you ever know. Now let's dive into how you can get approved to sell Lego on Amazon in 2024. So to get you approved to sell Lego on Amazon in 2024, we are going to be using Lego's website directly, and the first thing you are going to want to do is sign in or create an account. Now, if you have never placed an order on Lego.com, you are going to need to create an account. The most important thing to remember when creating your Lego account is to make sure that all the information on your Lego.com account matches your Amazon seller account exactly, otherwise the invoice will not be accepted by Amazon. So once you create your Lego.com account, we are just going to search for a cheap item. So I know from experience that Lego keychains are usually pretty cheap. So we're just going to search for a keychain on Lego.com. So I'm just going to type in Lego keychain and see all the results that pop up. So once we search this, you'll see all these different results here. And right here, you can see this Lego hot dog keychain is $5.99. So once you find an item like this hot dog Lego keychain, you just want to make sure that this item also has an ASIN on Amazon. So over here on Amazon.com, you can see right here that this hot dog Lego keychain is selling for $10.20, and it has also sold over 400 times in the past month. So when we click in on this hot dog Lego keychain right here, you can see that we're probably not going to profit anything. But remember, when we are getting Ungated to sell big name brands and categories on Amazon, it's not about making money on the first sale. It's about making money long term. So keep that mindset. But right here, you can see if this is selling for $11.98, which is the faster buy box down here. You can see here, and we input our buy cost of $5.99. We're going to lose 26 cents with each one we sell. But being that we have to buy 10 of these units, that's really only a $2.50 loss when you're buying this from Lego to get approved to sell it on Amazon. So what you want to do is you want to go back over to Lego.com, and then we're going to click on the hot dog keychain. And here you can see that it does have a purchase limit of 50, but that is perfectly fine, because to get approved to sell items on Amazon, you only must provide an invoice for at least 10 units. So all we want to do is add 10 of these hot dog keychains to our bag here. And then once we add it to our bag, we're just going to go to view my bag, and you're just going to check out with the exact same account information that you just created before you found the hot dog keychain to start with. So here you're just going to go through the checkout process and make sure you ship it to the address that you also have on the Amazon account. And then once your invoice arrives, you just upload it to Amazon with the corresponding ASIN. So back over here on Amazon, you can see that the ASIN for this item is right here. So we would just copy this and then go over to Seller Central and go to Add Product, copy this ASIN in, and then it would say Request Approval. Once you click on Request Approval, you just upload the invoice that you either download off the Lego.com website or that comes with the shipping box once your keychains arrive. It's not totally unusual for Amazon to decline your first invoice, so just keep resubmitting the invoice, and eventually you will be approved to sell Lego on Amazon in 2024. But again, I cannot stress this enough. Make sure when you are creating your Lego account, every single piece of information you input on the Lego.com account must match your Amazon seller account exactly, otherwise the invoice will not work. This is the #1 reason I see new Amazon sellers getting declined, is because they input a piece of information differently and the accounts don't match up perfectly, and therefore Amazon cannot approve your invoice. So just a quick recap. To get you approved to sell Lego on Amazon in 2024, all you need to do is go over to Lego.com, create an account, make sure all the information matches your Amazon seller account exactly, and then find an item that you can buy 10 of, and once the shipment arrives, save the invoice as a PDF and upload it on Amazon Seller Central under the corresponding ASIN, where you will eventually be approved to sell Lego on Amazon. If you made it this far in the video, I would like to give you 7 days free in my premium Discord server, and to claim the offer, all you have to do is join the free group, linked both in the description below along with on my page, and then message me saying that you found me on this video. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. It would help me out so much more than you ever know, and I'll see you guys next time.